Hello friends. Let's compare the performance of Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. You're watching a short travel story, generated entirely by Sora 2 Pro.
On the road, in the wind, the light, the little moments that feel alive.
Looks cinematic, right? Now, let's see how it was made and what really makes Pro different. I tried creating the most common part of every travel journey, the beginning. To make it cinematic, I asked ChatGPT to write a narration script first, because every great video begins with a story. Once the narration was ready, I asked it to generate detailed video prompts with camera angles, lighting, and ambient sounds. For both models, Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, I used exactly the same prompt. Both videos were generated using GlobalGPT, the one-stop platform that connects creators to all top AI models, from text, image, to video, all under one roof. You can pick your model, Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro, and choose to start from an image or just write a prompt. No character limits here. For Sora 2, video length goes up to 15 seconds, while Sora 2 Pro can stretch to a full 25 seconds. Both support 16:9 and 9:16 formats. And in terms of credits, Sora 2 costs 300, while Sora 2 Pro needs 1,500 credits per generation. Now let's input both the prompts and generate videos using the two models. Here's the output from Sora 2.
Meet Alex, a traveler chasing stories across the world. Every journey begins with a suitcase and a dream. But the real story unfolds on the road, in the wind, the light, the little moments that feel alive.
Natural lighting, realistic colors, decent motion, but the depth, transitions, and emotional cues are limited. Next, we'll see how the same story looks when brought to life with Sora 2 Pro. Sora 2 Pro took a little longer to render. Now, here's Sora 2 Pro. Notice the fluid camera movement, more dynamic lighting, and lifelike facial and body motion. The reflections, textures, even the ambient depth feel more cinematic and closer to real travel vlogs.
Meet Alex, a traveler chasing stories across the world. Every journey begins with a suitcase and a dream. But the real story unfolds on the road, in the wind, the light, the little moments that feel alive.
So what's the difference in real terms? Sora 2 handles prompts beautifully, but Pro understands emotion and continuity. It doesn't just animate, it directs the scene like a filmmaker. If you're a creator or storyteller, Sora 2 Pro can turn your ideas into cinematic reality. I'll keep testing these models, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world AI video experiments. See you in the next one.